Hey, this is Ryan again. I have a video of a reel that I want to show you guys that I just ordered about roughly 5-6 days ago. Excuse for the messy hair, but yeah. So it's called the DMK Altima. It's right here. 6:3 to 1 gear ratio. Fast. Let's open it up. There's the scale model of it. There's the numbers right there that tells you what it is. Let's see. So far, it looks nice. So far, yeah. Goes for a long period of time. Now, let's see. Yeah. Works pretty good. See? Yeah. I like it so far how it goes, but it says it can hold 18-pound test up to 140 meter. I mean, not meters. In yards. Can't even talk. So I might go ahead and put 15 or 10-pound test on here. I might. I haven't decided yet. On this reel, there's a little lever on the back. I don't know if you can see it. See it right there? Yeah. Take it, push it down, flip the side like that, and pop the side off. And then you just pop the spool out. There's the spool. That's the brass spool. And then there's this. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah. Let's see here. But so far I like the reel. The only couple things I don't like is the handles are a little small for my particular taste because the sausage links for fingers. There's the star drag system right there. Settings breaker right there. Doesn't have a break on this. Doesn't have a break on this side, as you can tell. But I bought this reel for $25. It came in 5 days, so you get what you pay for. So I mean, I like the reel myself. So yeah, it's a really nice reel. I like it. Let's see the aspects on it. It's a one-way instant anti-reverse system, precisely machined brass gear, a CNC machine AL spool, gear ratio 6:3 to 1. The weight of it is 7.9. The drag power is 15 pounds roughly, and 10 ball bearings. 9 plus 1 is 10 ball bearings. Yeah, 18-pound test, 140. I don't know if you can see that right there. So I don't know if this is gonna be all backwards or not. So yeah. Yeah. So really nice reel for the price. If you went to the website that I got it off of, it was wish.com. But I've downloaded the app, and it's called the DMK Altima. There's the box right there again. 7 days roughly for shipping. It's $18 for real, $7 for shipping, so $25. What you pay for? Once I haven't tried it yet, I'll have another video to come out on that and see how it goes. But yep, there it is right there. So catch you later.